What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today I will be upcycling this denim ash wash, whatever you want to call the jacket. I got this pyramid jersey from the Goodwill, and I knew that I can use some of the material to make something else, which is why I picked it up. I love going to the Goodwill to see stuff and just like remake it, and I cannot wait to share with y'all all my creations and like the different stuff that I do. But this is kind of basic. Y'all can really hand sew this, but it'll take you forever. So, I mean, if you got a sewing machine, girl, just throw it on there. So right now, I'm just trying to size it up right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 1/2 inch seam allowance around the entire perimeter and sew it down. But first I had to heat press this baby because it was a little bulky and I wanted it to be flatter, and it's also easier to sew when you iron it out or make it more flat with like a heat press. So it looks a lot better. Y'all can see how much neater it looks. And I did a zigzag stitch around the perimeter because I felt like it gave it a better look. And she loved it. Happy birthday, cousin.